A deadly cobra got trapped in a farm fence and is in desperate need of help. The dangerous cobra has tried to slither its way out of the fence, but its body is far too wide for the gap. These guys received a call to come and rescue the cobra, which is badly trapped in the fence. This must be the most dangerous rescue we've seen by far. They have to be very careful as they attempt to free the deadly reptile. The dangerous cobra could lash out any moment at them and bite them. As it had struggled to free itself, the thin metal strings of the fence had cut into its skin, especially around the neck. What an intense rescue! The man is literally grabbing the deadly cobra with its bare hands. Although he managed to free most of Cobra's parts with the help of pliers, its neck still remains tightly trapped in the strings. He's now trying to pull the cobra, hoping he will be able to get its neck out of the fence, but looks like impossible. Soon, he realizes that if he wants to rescue the snake, he has to get real close to cut the remaining strings. Getting so close, he is putting himself at risk of getting bitten. The cobra is clearly tense and agitated. It is trying to bite the pliers, which the man is holding just a few inches away. Fearing for his life and safety, a colleague is trying to keep the snake at a distance with the help of a snake stick. They are persisting in their efforts to set the dangerous reptile free. Who knows for how long the poor snake has been trapped in that state? This brave, compassionate man is putting his life on the line to rescue the snake. Teamwork makes the dream work. After quite some arduous effort, they managed to free the snake. The cobra was agitated and was ready to strike at anything that got close. Luckily, they managed to set it free in a forest safely.